Peter Brandt has reignited controversy around XRP. The veteran trader says XRP holders are among the most uneducated perma bulls he has seen in markets. Brandt made the comparison after more than 5 decades of trading experience across commodities, equities, and crypto. According to Brandt, XRP supporters remain bullish regardless of price action, macro conditions, or repeated setbacks. He grouped XRP bulls with silver investors, arguing both show strong bias and little willingness to reassess their views. Brandt says his perspective comes from trading thousands of contracts over decades. From his viewpoint, conviction without flexibility is a warning sign for any market participant. The comments quickly sparked backlash. Prominent XRP community members pushed back, saying Brandt relies too heavily on traditional chart analysis. Zach Rector responded by pointing to a shift in sentiment from longtime Bitcoin maximalist Young-Hoon Kim, who recently said he is now buying XRP. That change surprised many, given Kim's previous Bitcoin-only stance. Other voices took a calmer approach. Ex-finance bull acknowledged Brandt's experience, but argued that charts alone may not capture what is happening with XRP. He suggested broader economic and structural changes could be more important than technical patterns. Altcoin Buzz added that many XRP holders are focused less on short-term price swings and more on long-term financial transformation. From that view, Brandt's criticism reflects a difference in philosophy, not ignorance. Some investors embrace the label. Silver bull Don Woods joked that strong gains made the criticism irrelevant. Jay Grissom echoed the point, highlighting XRP's long-term rise from fractions of a dollar to above $2. He said long-term performance matters more than reputation. This is not the first clash between Brandt and the XRP community. Earlier this month, Brandt again described XRP supporters as obsessed perma bulls. In the past, he has predicted XRP would trend toward zero against Bitcoin, forecasts that supporters say failed to materialize. However, Brandt's stance has not always been bearish. Earlier this year, he identified a bullish XRP chart pattern that later played out before the market pulled back. At its core, the dispute reflects two different frameworks. Brandt focuses on price action, probabilities, and discipline built over decades. XRP supporters focus on adoption, legal clarity, and systemic change. For investors, the lesson is perspective. Markets reward flexibility, but conviction also shapes long-term outcomes. Understanding both sides matters.